Start with the counting. First, what were the values? I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, and M means 1000. You have to learn this so you can easily learn how to write the Roman numerals and how to find Hindu Arabic from Roman numerals. So first of all, I will start with basic counting. So for 1, the symbol is I. For 2, now 2 can be written as 1 plus 1 means the symbol will be, for 1 I'll put 1 I, for next one I'll put another I, that is 2 I's I'll put. Next it is 3, 3 also can be written as 1 plus 1 plus 1. For this one, 1 I, for this another I, for this another I, means 3 I's means 3. Now 4. You know that we can't repeat a symbol more than 3 times. 3 times maximum it has been repeated, means a 4 ke liye what we are going to do, 4 can be written as what? 5 minus 1. Okay. Now here what is subtraction? Subtraction के लिए हम छोटी वैल्यू का सिंबल पहले लिखते हैं, बड़ी वैल्यू का सिंबल बाद में. मीन्स 1 का सिंबल पहले लिखेंगे. What is the symbol of 1? That is I. And what is the symbol of 5? That is, you simply write it like this, I. And what is the symbol of 5? That is V. Okay. Now for 5, 5 say simply we have its value, that is V. Next we have 6. Now 6 is closer to 5, means we will write it as 5 plus 1. Here addition is here. For addition same rule, पहले हमने इसका symbol लिखना है, फिर इसका symbol लिखना है. But in subtraction पहले हम छोटी value का symbol लिखते थे, then for the larger value. Now symbol of 5 is V and symbol of 1 is I. Next is, so this is the value for what? 6. Next for 7, 7 equals to 5 plus 1 plus 1. So 5 ka symbol 1, another I for this one, and this for this one we have another I. Next is 8. 8 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 5 plus how many times 1? 3 times 1. Means 5 के लिए क्या आ जाएगा? V, इसके लिए I, इसके लिए भी I, and another I for this one. Now for 9. Now 3 times maximum यहाँ पे जो है I repeat हो चुका है, means next ये repeat नहीं होगा. So for 9, 9 is closer to what? 10. We will write it as 10 minus 1. Now what is here? Subtraction. Subtraction के लिए first we will write the symbol for small value, then we will write the symbol for large value. That is, small value का symbol that I, and large value that is 10, उसका symbol क्या है? X. So this is the way to write 9. For 10, same we will write, what is the symbol for 10? X. Next is for 11. 11 is closer to what? 10. Means हम इसे कैसे लिखेंगे? 10 plus 1. अब addition पहले same value we go as the way we go. पहले इसका symbol, फिर इसका symbol. Means 10 का symbol is X and 1 का symbol is I. 12 के लिए 12 we can write it as 10 plus 1 plus 1, and we can write it as X, 1 I for this one and another I for this one. Similarly 13, 14, 15. 14 I'll tell you, 14 के लिए 14, now 4 times तो I को repeat नहीं कर सकते. Now 14. So for 14 we will write 10 plus 4, that is 10 की value क्या होती है? X, and 4 from here you can write it as 1V. If you learn from 1 to 9, it will be easy for you to write the Roman numerals. So I'll better suggest you that you will learn from 1 to 9 so that you can easily use it in further questions. Now for 16, if I say, I'll write it as 10 plus 6. Okay. For 10, what was the symbol? X. And for 6, from here, what is the symbol? V. 1 means it is easy to write the counting if you have learned these 1 to 9 counting. Now for randomly I'll take the numbers. First is 31. 31 can be written as 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1. For this 10 we have x, another x, for this 10, and for this 10 also x. And for 1 what we have? I. So means x, xi is the symbol of 13. Next I'll take what? 45. Now 45 can be written as 40 plus 5. But for 40 we can't use 4x. As I have told you, it can be repeated only 3 times. Means 40 can be written as 50 minus 1 और ये वाला 5 ऐसे ही आ गया. अब smaller value, sorry, 15 minus 10. अब smaller value, it will be for x, I'll write x first, then for L, means for 50 I'll write L, then for this I'll write V. So means x, L, V is the symbol of 45. Another example I can take like 37. 37 can be written as 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 7. That is 10 की value, it is x, another x for this 10, and for this 10 also x. Now for 7, if you have learned the counting, you can easily write V1, 1. Okay, now we will take 41. I'll write it as 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. But फिर वही we can't repeat it 4 times, means I'll write it as 50 minus 40 plus 1. 40 के लिए I'll write it as 50 minus 10. For 1 I'll write plus 1. Means for this 10 first I'll write x, then for this 50 I'll write L, and for this one I'll write I. Next another number I can take 25. Means I'll write it as 10 plus 10 plus 5. For this 10 x, this also x, and for 5 we have what? V. Means xx v. Similarly you can write the counting for different Roman numerals. Thank you students.